And before diving into this incredible tool, think about subscribing, clicking like, and sharing this video. It really helps support the channel and ensures you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Today we're exploring Klingai, an ultra-realistic image and video generator that's changing the game. It uses cutting-edge AI to transform your ideas into stunning visuals. Imagine turning your concepts into photorealistic masterpieces with just a few clicks. Sounds incredible, right? It truly is. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, Klingai's intuitive interface empowers you to create captivating images and videos with ease. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, allowing you to focus on your creativity, not on wrestling with complicated software. This tool is perfect for artists, marketers, and anyone looking to explore their creativity. You can use it to transform your artistic projects, design eye-catching advertising campaigns, or even just bring your personal visions to life. Klingai opens up unprecedented creative horizons, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with digital creation. To dive deeper, check out our blog for in-depth tutorials and insights. You can find the link in the description below. And if you want to learn more about Klingai and its features, visit our website. We've also included all our social media links so you can stay updated on the latest trends and creations. And of course, if you have any questions or collaboration ideas, feel free to reach out to us at the email address provided. We encourage you to explore our other videos as well, where you'll find more examples and tutorials. You'll find the link to the playlist in the description. So, to summarize, Klingai's AI-powered image and video generator lets you create stunning, ultra-realistic visuals with ease. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, Klingai empowers you to transform your ideas into captivating masterpieces, opening up unprecedented creative possibilities. Don't wait any longer. Unleash your inner artist and start creating today.